Cool. So, hi guys, this is Chris from DoraHacks. Welcome to another Boba Network Hackathon project demo session. I'm gonna be the host for today's session. Very glad to have you guys join us today. Um, so a little bit background intro. This is actually the very first time that DoraHacks to support Boba Network on their hackathon. And also, actually, it's the first layer 2 that uh, DoraHacks support. So it's been really exciting for us. And we are really looking forward to see some brilliant projects can emerge from this hackathon. And we intend to build a long-term partnership in the future with Boba Network to keep grow Boba Network ecosystems. Today we are very happy to have 3 projects to join us, and they are LootHunt, MedievalDAO, and EDNS. So without further ado, let's welcome the first project to start their presentation. So LootHunt team, Harsh and Twitch, feel free to start when you're ready.
Yes, sure. Uh, Let me just share my screen.
Yeah,
Uh, is it visible?
yeah, we can see. We can start.
Oh, great. So, LootHunt. A LootHunt is a play-to-earn metaverse. So, we have tried to build LootHunt to bridge the gap between the play-to-earn gaming as well as metaverse. So, let me explain what's LootHunt. So, LootHunt is a play-to-earn gaming platform in which not only you can play to use it for only play-to-earn, but you can also roam around the metaverse, build your character, build your avatar, uh, use different clothing, also feed your avatar and interact with other players as well, build your house, build your home, build a space for yourself, and build a community around you, a clan or a guild, as you may say. So the market overview. Currently, the esports market only captures $2.1 billion, and the metaverse market itself is a $12 billion industry, and the NFT market has a $25 billion in market cap. So we are aiming to uh, acquire the market share or of all of them, as we have embedded esports gaming as well as metaverse and uh, NFT. So, what are the benefits of our platform? Why use LootHunt? So, first, LootHunt is completely decentralized. Our team believes that a decentralized protocol, if we are building on a decentralized protocol such as Boba Network, we have to build ourselves resilient to centralized attack vectors. So we have built our platform to be totally decentralized. We are using smart contracts on Boba network for all our server logics, and we are using IPFS for storage, and we are trying to achieve as much decentralization as possible. So another thing is inclusion for everyone. We welcome everyone. No matter what, everyone can come to our platform, enjoy in the metaverse, hang out with other players. Uh, Also, Boba Network makes it possible for everyone to have a go at it, as we have very cheap fees in Boba Network that makes it possible for everyone to come and play around it, as well as we are giving a play to earn rewards to players that makes it interactive for everyone. The third thing is community driven. So we always believe that governance should be decentralized for any platform. Keeping that in mind, we have our own DAO, which makes decision around token emission, and also around the gameplays. Also, what events do we want to organize in our metaverse? What concerts, conference are we allowing to in our metaverse? The fourth is the metaverse. As I have discussed previously, that our platform is metaverse first platform. So user can interact with each other, form guilds, and create clans. Also, we allow players to decorate their own space. So the players can build their own space, decorate with them with NFTs as well as reward badges that they can showcase how many games they have won and uh, another NFTs. Battle royale component. So we have native battle royale game inbuilt. So you can challenge any player directly from the metaverse to the battle royale game too. Also, you can stake NFTs. Discuss what you want to stake for the game. You can bet NFTs, or you can directly bet Boba tokens as well for the game. So the battle royale game is very simple. All the players are in the game, and there is a crate which you have to find and hold till the last man standing. So if you are playing, you have to be standing after all the players have been killed. So you have to survive with the crate. So the last one who has the crate wins an NFT. So the NFT that the player wins is a special type of NFT, which I will discuss in later in the section. So characters. So character is a very important part of any metaverse. So we wanted to bring NFTs as well with different stamina, strength, and traits in our metaverse. So we have built currently we have three types of uh, three traits, three soldiers, three different types of uh, NFTs. One is soldier, second is king, and third is trader. So the soldier has different abilities, health and staminas. So all of them have different strength, staminas, health, virtues, etc. So this makes it interesting for players to play game as well as enjoy how other players play the game and form their own team with different types of character and try and test them out. Um, Another part is encrypted NFTs. This is a special type of NFT that we designed. So these are two-sided NFTs, in which one side is your normal PvP avatar, which you can showcase or brag about. Another side is an encrypted message, which only the owner of the NFTs can see. It is only visible to the owner of the NFT. So whenever an person wins in our play to one game, the battle royale game, he is awarded with this special type of NFT, and the event host can share the secret message with him. So this secret message can range from anything. It can be an Amazon voucher. It can also be a secret key to somewhere, or for this makes it perfect. Our platform perfect for treasure hunt and many other things. So assets. We have three. We have distributed our assets into three types. The first one is carrot, which will be used to feed players, as well as they will be rewarded to players whenever someone kills other player or hang around the metaverse, build something or breaks some rock or other events. They will be rewarded with carrot. This creates a supply for the carrot in the metaverse, and this is the main part of our play to earn model. So these are carrots. The carrots can be used to feed the character. So the character daily needs certain amount of carrots to be fed. So that makes it demand and supply with the carrot. Then we have health kit. So whenever you die, you need to have a health kit to revive. Health kit can be bought with our native in-game currency, which we are calling RAB. So uh, RAB will control all the in-game currency transaction from ranging from secondary NFT marketplace, NFT sales, as well as health kit power-ups and carrots can be bought with the main currency, which can be easily swapped for anything health kit or carrot or power ups. So health kits are essentially they revive your character and give you a health boost. Then there is a power ups. Power ups are there are many types of power ups that we are bringing to the game, ranging from increasing the speed of your player to the extending g- uh, to the bullet of your guns, and also to the attracting getting getting 1.5x carrots. Essentially there are various type of power ups that you will be able to plug, and then essentially you will be your character will be able to uh, use those power ups with our native currency. Uh, so these are our tokenomics. Uh, so we have reserved 20% for our DAO, which will be controlled by our token holders and essentially will be used for governance. And then another 20% is for the play to earn model. So the players will be rewarded with these tokens. The supply will be linear emission for all of them. Uh, for more details, we have a white paper so coming out soon. You can check it out on our website. Now let me show you the demo. So this is the demo of our metaverse. So you can see the player has an NFT. This is the police NFT. Uh, so can shoot. Uh, Now I wanted to show you the demo of our game. I'll just share my screen again. Uh, is it visible? Uh,
Yes, yes.
okay. So I'll just connect my MetaMask wallet to our platform. So we are using MetaMask authentication. Uh, so there are different matches that are currently running in our game. This is the Battle Royale platform. So let me just join a match that is currently ongoing match. So I'll join the ongoing match, and as you will able to see that this is a battle royale game. So I have to find the crate in which there is NFT and other rewards. So for that, I'll have to kill other players. If there are other players, I'll have to kill them and essentially win the reward. I can see a player. Uh, so I'll have to kill him first. After killing the player, uh, I'll have to collect my NFT. So after collecting the NFT, I can see click on the claim reward button here, uh, and then I can confirm it, and I'll be able to see my two-sided NFTs now. It might take some time to load two-sided NFTs. Uh, yes, so the two-sided NFT is visible. So I click on it and I get the Amazon voucher here. So this NFT is only visible by me as I want the game. So these are not visible to anyone else as it's encrypted using asymmetric cryptography. So thank you. Uh, that's all. Thank you.
Great, great. Yeah, thank you so much for the presentation. Yeah, so definitely looks a very interesting gameplay on Boba Network. One of my questions would be how this is actually it's like a more general question for all the GameFi projects. So, what is the way that for you guys to keep the users? So we all know that there are a bunch of uh, users who join a game just for making some money. So when they think the profits in the future will decrease, they're probably gonna leave the game, which is really hurt the whole game ecosystems. So, what is the way that you guys are gonna do in the future to avoid this type of the situation?
Yes. What we have did is we have built not we have also a metaverse plugged in into the play to earn games. Also, the battle royale game is not only for our NFTs, but it can be for another NFT community. So if a community wants to do giveaway, they can use our platform to do their NFT giveaways. As currently all of them are using Twitter, but the bot problem with Twitter is getting worse and worse. So this initiates an interaction from players. So it brings more player to the NFT communities, if you can see, and while also gains traction for us. So this is the one way that we will have organic growth. But on the other hand, the play to earn model, the tokenomics are designed in such a way that the initial players will not get a lot of money. So not so so that the initial players will not get so much money that they are able to the rewards will not decrease in amount. So as the player increases, we will try to manage the rewards, and also the partnership. We have several already ties up with several concerts. So, as being a metaverse, the benefit of being a plug bridging metaverse and play to earn gaming is that you get organic growth from organizing events, concerts, and so that the player are increased and the interactivity with players always are there, so that the players don't get bored. One of the reasons why player drops is because they get bored or the reward decreases. But having an organic growth and partnerships will make a lot of difference in that case.
Got it. Got it. Yeah. Thank you very much. Uh, I think we can move to the next project today, which is the MedievalDAO. So, Izil, is that how to read your name?
Yep.
Yeah, feel free to start when you're ready.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Hope it doesn't bother you. Um, so this is MedievalDAO, and this is a material I prepared for DoraHacks. Hope you enjoy it. And the MedievalDAO is a social and strategy game with quest to learn multiple rewards. And this material is made by me and the MedievalDAO team. So let's begin. So to begin with, I would like to introduce my founders of the MedievalDAO. So Asterio, he's our smart contract dev, and he's an experienced smart contract dev in Web2 world. He's a physicist. We have Merlin here, Fortune 500 company, e-commerce commerce needs manager, and we have Pei. Pei is a top PE account manager in Taiwan, and Constantine, he's our full stack developer. And in Web2 world, he's an FNANG engineer. And me, Ezio here, I I'm responsible for the operation, BD, and marketing, and some other stuff. And in Web2 world, I'm an R&D engineer and a technology company. And we have Moderate. He is our artist. And in Web2, he is a famous Japanese. He works in a Japanese game, and he lives in Japan right now, and he's an artist there. So to begin with, this is the executive summary I want to show you today. So I will show you what is our DAO's mission, and what is the adventures NFT, and what is the medieval expedition, which is the main product of our project. So let's begin with our mission. A great idea we believe it should be supported, and it should come to life in an easier way. So that this is why we want to build a medieval DAO. We want to leverage the community's power to, to collaboratively to learn the amazing Web3 world, and even to build up some protocols, some games, some fancy features with blockchain, and try to leverage community's power to build something that is incredible. Basically, this is our DAO's mission. And our principle is because we are a DAO, so we are owned by community, and we rewarded innovations. We want to create a hub between talents and enthusiasts. How can our adventurous NFT and what is the to deliver the target of our mission and how adventurous NFT are born? So basically, adventure is an avatar to MedievalDAO, and the NFT holders can enjoy all the benefits from it and resources. So basically, it's roughly the same with others. However, I want to bring up a brilliant idea, which is that we are a free mint project, so that we are not here to make some profits. However, we want to bring more profits or bring more benefits or knowledge to our users. So making money is not our it's not our goal of MedievalDAO. And also, the generation of venture NFT is based on a true random process, so that even the developed team not guarantee their own certain NFT, which we believe is a very unique generation process because the protocol is built by ourselves. We use a ERC 721 site, which is a homemade NFT standard. I will uh, give more information later. And what is medieval expedition? Basically, is where our NFT comes to life. And it is also a laboratory for community to develop their ideas. And to begin with, medieval expedition is a game. However, communities in DAO can build up this game together. And we have some roadmap for building this map with or without community. We will deliver more and more stuff in this game. However, with community power, we can even have some more interesting creativities into this game. And we aim to make this game is born to make our NFT holders to interact with others. And we boost the interaction with others. And only through frequent engagement with others, adventure holders can truly gain from this game. Another thing I would like to talk or to discuss later is blockchain achievement trophy. It's also called BAT, and we use that system to unite protocols. I mean, maybe MedievalDAO's NFT project with another NFT project or with another DeFi project. We use this BAT, which is an NFT, to unite ourselves to become a unite alliance so that we can channel our users or maximize the power of a community in Web3 world. More details will be enclosed later. So use one word to speak our project, which is MedievalDAO is an NFT project that has social and educational mission that encourage our users to engage in Web3 world. Through participating in our unique quest system to learn the essential knowledge the newcomer to the world built by blockchain. And what we have achieved right now is that we have launched our NFT. Look at this green check symbol here. We have launched our NFT on Ethereum mainnet, and our decentralized app is deployed on Boba Network. So people feel free or enjoy the low gas fee on layer 2 for high frequency operating. Another thing we want to say is that we offer educational and social contents that introduce the DeFi or DAO or blockchain world's knowledge to our users, which is we are really proud of it. And another thing is that we build up a quest system. Our users can learn DeFi knowledge to this quest system and even to fulfill this knowledge. They can become their own portfolio management manager, or they can try to use other protocols to gain some rewards or some airdrops on them. More details will be included in later slides. And of course, we continuously deliver essential knowledge in Web3 world, including bridging, liquidity pools, what is staking, what is farming, what is borrowing and lending. This knowledge can also be learned in our Discord channel and our DM. So The first part of this slide will be Medieval Expedition. It's an NFT game with educational quest. So basically, it's our decentralized app, and we have deployed on Boba Network and Ethereum. So we have bank here, we have dock here. A dock, uh, accordingly, it's a bridge which can bridge our NFT to or from Ethereum to Boba. It's bidirectional. And we have town center here. Basically, you can see your NFT here, and our game, which will be played in farming land. We'll introduce a little bit more later. And we have bank here, which have secret project on it. So I can tell you right now. We have castle here. It's a place to mint a BAT here. Example comes later. Market will be our in-game NFT market, which can decorate their NFT. And we have training ground here, which is our where we can meet our quest system. So let's review what has happened. What happened in May on MedievalDAO's roadmap. So basically, we have launched our free mint on Ethereum, and we team up with Boba Brewery, which is the launch pad on Boba, and we launched our NFT as a free mint project on Ethereum, which are sold out in 5 minutes. We are proud of that, and however, sadly, I personally I only got one NFT. Okay, because it was sold out too soon. After the free mint of the NFT, there are two quests goes online, and each quest gives our users 40 and 50 Wagami, which is a crypto option. They can settle it into Boba. So for example, here if one has 80 Wagami, they can settle them into 80 Boba, which is roughly 36 USD dollar by then. So basically it's a free mint project. However, because we have our community and we can cut some deal with Boba, so that new wallet to Boba, they incentivize our community with some Boba rewards. So basically, our free mint NFT can earn some money on it. We are proud of it. So it's already happened in on May, and what's going on here? I will tell about it later. So what is our game? So our game is called Medieval Expedition here. Basically, we have three different classes, and the bottom one is farmers. Farmers, accordingly, they can farm four different resource tokens, which are food, stone, wood, and gold. And this different resource token might make you link to a famous game called Age of Empires. That's correct. We are a big fan of Age of Empires. So we learn from them and decide food, stone, wood, and gold for different resources. Really amazing game, right? But basically, another classic code is called thieves. Thief will harvest or try to steal from farmers. Farmer can generate it or can harvest for different resource token. However, if so from farmers. The farmer will seek help from Scott. Scouts will be the protector of farmers and their resources. However, Scouts will negotiate with farmers for better tribute or protection fee. So they will protect their services to farmers. Through this interesting triangle relationship, our NFT holder needs to discuss a lot to come up with a better strategy, try to unite, try to betray, or try to use different or gather together to fight for a common goal, which is our real resource tokens. So another good thing is that interesting is that our NFT is a dynamic NFT, which means if a player earns some food and they can exchange food into other NFT attributes or say parts they like. For example, if they this is or an original NFT looks like. However, if they trade with food or other resource token, they can buy a cosmic background or they can have a lightsaber here to exchange their weapon and further exchange their NFT outlook. So this is a dynamic a concept of dynamic NFT. And another thing is that, as I mentioned, we want to have adventurers to do some quests. So we have collaborated with other DeFi protocols, such as this is Symbiosis. It's a startup company offer bridging services on blockchain world. And this is a Oolong Swap, which is the biggest decentralized exchange on Boba Network. So we cooperate with them to offer our users benefits or rewards. And our users can use their protocols to generate enough uh, some Web3 knowledges and accumulate some rewards as well, which is interesting because we want our users to be happy and learn some knowledge. In the meanwhile, maybe gain some benefit from these projects. So another example I would like to say is that we have used Turing services. Turing is an innovative techniques owned by solely on Boba Network. It can link Web2 world to Web3 world. For example, this is a tweet from another NFT project, and it uses a very common strategy, which is the first step you can like and retweet and tag three friends, and then follow their NFT's official Twitter, and then join their Discord. Uh, in the past, people use some bots or manually to decide if participants fulfill these three requirements. However, with Turing services, we can link Twitter's API, excuse me, to examine if certain user has performed these activities, so that they can be entered the whitelist raffle. And this has been realized. However, we do it in a more simple way, which is this is our test maze. Uh, we have deployed our we have deployed this quest on testnet, which can if our users can burn 3,000 food and they can win uh, a whitelist spot here. So this is how we link Web2 and Web3 worlds together. So another thing I would like to bring up is that obviously we have our own resource token. Why is our resource token? In 4 different resource token, they are all in-game currency. However, food token serves for another big mission, which is our governance token. So basically, we are a DAO. So we have a lot of things to be discussed, to be decided. So food is a governance token and represents community's voting power. And each community member can raise some ideas to bring up with some amazing roadmap or amazing item to be developed. However, we need to decide or which one or which ones to be developed. And this will be a DAO process. So that food token will be the governance power or governance token, voting power to decide MedievalDAO's future. Also, the way to win food token can only be obtained by playing the game. We don't offer liquidity to food, so intrinsically, food token has no value. However, with food token, people can join the development of MedievalDAO, Medieval Expedition, and decorate their NFT, which might possibly generate some value on their NFT or on this token. However, we don't want people try to play the game, earn some token, and dump it. This is not the ecosystem we want to build. So we don't offer liquidity on food token. So another thing I want to remind is that this is your original NFT, and with some shopping process with food token, you can have your NFT looks like this fancy one. So basically, it's dynamic NFT. So to summarize, on another big feature of our project, which is quest system, is that we design a lot of quests for our NFT holders. which are NFT Quest, DeFi Quest, and DAO Quest. And this is an OpenSea symbol, as you know, and we have partnered with Tofu NFT and the Boba Brewery. And this we partner with these protocols to bring our users the biggest interest up from these protocols. And on the other hand, DeFi is another core innovation on Web3 world. So we partner with the biggest uh, decentralized exchange on Boba, also the biggest lending and borrowing protocol on Boba, also another two bridge protocols to bring our users enough knowledges, MAs, or promotions for our users to learn a Web3 world. Also, we build up holders only Discord servers, and we use collab land and snapshot.org to uh, to do some DAO stuff. So it's really amazing in our Discord channels. Another second part I would like to bring you is another phase of this project, which is blockchain achievement trophy. It's called it. It can be abbreviated as BAT, but actually it's not the animal or the bird. So blockchain achievement trophy enables a unique NFT identity to all who have accomplished quest. So, for example, this is a very, very delicate MedievalDAO's logo, and we add some very fancy materials on it. And this material or this NFT can only be obtained
Hi,
by
Izio.
joining our MA, and
Hello.
it's a free mint ERC
Hello.
1155. However, it's unlimited. However, it only opens for maybe 15 minutes. So if our holders want to have this token or this NFT, they have to participate in our MA and then maintain this token in the right period of time. So this offers an on-chain verification for our NFT users. And MedievalDAO has collabed with other protocols, such as we have another MA cooperating with BUIDL, which is a very big Solana's project, and they come to our Discord to have their MA, so that our NFT holders or the public can join our MA and minted this cute
Hi,
on-chain
Izio.
verification or BAT, so that in the future this BAT can empower the holder of this BNT some amazing empowerment or some benefit on it. So to summarize, this BAT is free minted or airdropped. We don't sell it, and this NFT has empowerment uh, with certain empowerment with other protocols. Basically, it owns flexibility to airdrop or to uh, whitelist spots, something like that. So it's not for sale. It can only be minted. And during this bearish market, we believe that many protocols want to deliver something to their community, and our BAT will be an amazing tools for them. So another thing that we have achieved is that we through the introduction of the BAT system, we successfully attract over 100 DC participants. It's around 3 times boost on our AMA participants. So key benefits of BAT.
Hey, Izio. Sorry for interrupt. You have reached your presentation time. Can you please try to summarize your presentation in like 30 minutes? Thank you very much.
And the second thing is that it's a collectible. So in this is a clip or our decentralized app. People who have their BAT can check their BAT here. It's like their a place to demonstrate their NFT. And also, I have emphasized a lot, which is that BAT has its own empowerment. We have closed some deals with these protocols, and these protocols can give some benefits to these NFT holders or BAT holders. So we have launched this BAT on our Boba network, and this is a screenshot of the previous BAT event. And basically, it's a unlimited event, and each one has a unique uh, name or sign. And our smart contract limited. It cannot be reopened. Each BAT can only be minted in this certain period of time. So basically, it's all I want to share, and I will give a demo or a tool on our decentralized app now. So this is our decentralized app on Boba. I have linked my wallet to it, and here is stock. We can pay some fee to transfer our NFT from Boba to Ethereum. Another thing is that this is the NFT I have. So basically, it's a very, very cute NFT with random.
Yeah, so I guess we need to cut the MedievalDAO from here because it just took too long. We still have one more project to presentation. Sorry about the whole issues happening right now. But Mike from EDNS team, feel free to start when I'm ready.
Yep, hello, this is Mike from EDNS. Can you show my presentation slide? Yep, hello, this is Mike from EDNS. Let me introduce our project, EDNS Domain. So what is EDNS Domain? EDNS, the through name called Ethereum Domain Name Service, is a domain name service which built on a blockchain, on the Polygon network. It provides five top-level domain. The first one will be .meta, .music, .404, .sandbox, and .as. Yeah. So what is the purpose? What is the usage of a decentralized domain? If you have work or familiar with the Web3 technology, you must have heard of ENS. So we literally have the same functionality of ENS. Yeah, we can connect to different NFT or wallet or web hosting or different like content hash and blah blah, which replacing the extremely long, the 32 bytes of the cryptocurrency address with a human readable or human rememberable address. So according to the Straits research, there are 343 millions of domain registers in 2020, and according to research, there will be a 49% of increasement to the 2027. And for the .eth, which means the decentralized domain names, which is ENS, and there's already over 1 million of domain names which has registered in 2021. And we expect to be a 500 times of increasement at the 2027 because of the Web3 technologies. So we'll have a simple comparison to the ENS. So ENS, a domain name service, will be on the Ethereum, and EDNS domain name service by using a layer 0. And we have expanded our domain name to 7 blockchain. The first one will be Polygon, BNB chain, the Ethereum, of course, the Avalanche, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Phantom. And we also have lots of different native integration to the different decentralized storage or web building or even some local telecom integrations. And yeah, for those the domain name pricing for the 5 character ups, the annual fee of 1 year will be $25, and for the rest of the domain names, like 1 to 2 characters or the premium domains, will be the annual fee for 1 year will be $350 US. And yeah, as I mentioned, the EDNS will actually be on multiple blockchain. And thanks for the layer 0 technology, which means our domain name can be transferred or even exist in 7 blockchain in the same time. And with the EDNS domain name, you can protect your wallet, or you can indexing your decentralized storage, or even your messaging application or digital asset in the current Web3 or metaverse future with very high safety and security. So actually, our EDN ecosystem is split into two parts. First one would be DWeb, like the different NFT marketplace or crypto wallet, and the second part would be a DApps, like the traditional NFT addresses, your ID in the metaverse, or different web services. And yeah, as I mentioned, our EDNS have different native integration to the decentralized storage, like the static web hosting on the storage, or even a video file streaming on the decentralized storage. Thus, MBA introduced the product roadmap. In 2021, which in this year, we will launch a decentralized storage, mobile SMS services with cooperating different local telecoms, and also a web hosting or web builder, which build upon our decentralized storage. Also, a storage wallet, or actually exactly is a multitasking or multifunctional wallet, not just a simple wallet, but integrating with this different like decentralized storage, decentralized IM like messaging apps. Yeah, decentralized messaging apps. We also launch another product called decentralized mail talk. It's a combination of decentralized instant message and mail service of a application. And also a mini airbox. Oh, exactly, is a blockchain PC. So for the detail, I will explain later. Yeah, the D drive. What is a D drive? Pretty simple. A layer 2 decentralized network. You can see we have already integrated with different decentralized provider like Swarm, IPFS, ETDCR, StorageJ, Filecoin, and Arweave. So what D drive do? Access control and file recovery. So why access control? Pretty simple. When you upload a file onto IPFS or Ethereum Swarm, every file or every data is transparent. And once you have publicly exposed your reference key, then your file will be globally available. Plus, also, if you upload the file through the D drive, we distribute all different file to different decentralized storage, which means your file is literally cannot be, is immutable. No one can edit your files. And also, you can host your static website on D drive, which means your static website is not only hosting on one storage provider instead of tons of storage providers. Also, SMS services. It's a decentralized SMS services. By integrating decentralized domain and with the cooperation of the local telecom, we have provided a decentralized SMS services. Like you can send SMS by only using your EDNS domains. So what is the purpose? Pretty simple. Like when you're transferring your assets from your Binance wallet or the Binance exchange to your personal decentralized wallet, usually you enter three things. One, a verification from your email. Second thing, a verification code from your mobile phone, and the third one, a verification code from your MFA. So the second one, the SMS. So which when we provide this SMS, which replacing, or we can provide an opportunity to enhance or push it into a Web3 way to do the SMS. And also the sandblock. So what is sandblock? As I mentioned, is a decentralized instant message plus a mail, which means you can send message using blockchain, or your message will be encrypted and stored on blockchain. And also your file, like your video, your images will be uploaded to a decentralized storage, D drive, and which means boom, a decentralized IM. You can instantly talk to each other, and you can instantly sending different files or static files to the others. And mini airbox. So what it is? It's literally just a PC, but with an app store installed on it. So what is the purpose of app store? Like you want to run an IPFS node, you don't know how to configure server, no problem. Just buy one mini airbox. It comes with a apps when you install it, and you go to the apps and go look for the IPFS node, and you install it. And the IPFS node will be automatically installed inside the mini app block. So same as the other Web3 application like Ethereum, Swarm, the storage node, or even you want to run an IPFS mining machine. Yeah, you can do it by clicking one button, and the mini airbox will do it all for you. So what is the project structure? Pretty simple. Like when the end user, the Web3 user, accessing the web browser by using their traditional computer or mobile apps, they must be able to install a crypto wallet, like an extension or a built-in wallet of the browser, like the Brave browser. And Web3 user which can access the mini airbox inside their crypto wallet. And also with the crypto wallet, we have the connection to access decentralized storage, also plus the decentralized web hosting, and by using the decentralized domain name EDNS to resolve the address of the website. And for the static file of the website, we will push on the D drive. And plus, if you want to shop some NFT, as I mentioned, the project previously, like LootHunt or MedievalDAO, their NFT, I believe they usually put on IPFS or some or centralized storage, but no problem. They can put all of their digital assets onto D drive because it's a decentralized storage, and then they can sell the NFT on different marketplace. And so their NFT is decentralized, their storage of the digital asset is decentralized, and all of this data and information are all referred to the blockchain or directly stored on the blockchain. So as our community have already grown over to 240,000 from February to the end of May. And for the EDNS pre-registration, we have already over 620,000. And then we expect there will be over 1 million of registration of the EDNS domain at the end of this year. And also we are always launch different airmail or airdrop event on our different social media. So please feel free to subscribe. And this is will be our timeline. And yeah, as you can see, we already launched our EDNS domains and SMS services. And at the end of the years, we will launch our decentralized D-Drive storage wallet. It's a multi-function or multi-features wallet. Also, we will launch our mini airbox. We'll announce the mini airbox in our launch. And also below, you can see there will be our timeline of our EDNS token. We expect at the end of the year, we'll be listing the EDNS token on different tier 1 exchange. And so what is the purpose of the EDNS token? The first one, token staking, which authorize different reseller to become a reseller. So if you want to become a reseller, you have to stake the token onto the smart contract. Also, we will use the token for purchasing different SMS quota. Also, if you want to upload your file to the D drive, you need to pay for the traffic quota and the storage fee by using the EDNS token. The second one will be buyback and return. So we are buybacking the premium domains, and which return the EDNS token to the premium domain owner, which motivate and encourage them to purchase or buy more or use more these decentralized domains. And also the third one, the most essential one, the voting. Yeah, the EDNS owner or holder can be votes inside our EDNS DAO in the future for different proposal or decisions. So, and this will be our EDNS domain teams. And yeah, all of us are based in Hong Kong, but running a startup business in Hong Kong, the cost is pretty high. So yeah, you can see the above right corner is me. Yeah, I'm also a cloud technology expert. Yes, because after I graduate from the college, I've entered the Amazon Web Services as a solution architect team intern for at least a year. So I'm pretty familiar with different cloud technology. And yeah, at the down right corner will be our technical team. And you can see at the advisor team, we have two pretty important advisors. The first one will be Professor Emil Chan. He's a our product advisor, also an engine professor in the EMBA in Hong Kong. The second one would be Professor James Lay. He also is our blockchain advisor. He's a professor in Hong Kong UST. And yes, this will be our EDNS ecosystem or our EDNS ecosystem in the Web3 future. So yeah, you can see the different, we have decentralized domain names. We have a decentralized storage with private and file recovery. We have a multifunctional wallet. We have a decentralized IM. We have a mini airbox, and boom, it will become the most important decentralized infrastructure, not at the server side, instead of the client side of the user side. Like you need to access the website, you need to use a domain. You need to chat with other with a truly anonymous and not censorship. You have to use a instant IM. You need to store your digital asset on the decentralized storage. You use D drive. You need to accept all of the mobile apps or functionality of the above as I mentioned. You need to use the storage wallet or the multifunctional wallet. Or you want to mine or you participate into the server side of the Web3, boom, you can use the mini airbox. And yeah, this will be our partnership. Our biggest partnership literally are local telecom like the Hong Kong broadband or the China Mobile. Of course, the Alibaba one is one of our important partnership because we have different Web3 technology with partnering with the traditional cloud partners. And yeah, this is the end of my presentation. And please feel free to subscribe us. If you have any question, please send it to this email. Thank you very much.
Got it. Yeah, thank you very much, Mike, for the detailed presentation. One question from me will be that, because for example, EDNS, which is another domain operators in the industries, the values they provide is that they can provide the domain name based on the Ethereum ecosystem, which is we all know that Ethereum is the largest Web3 eco right now, with the most of the innovations and creations. So for EDNS, of course, we cannot we can compete for the Ethereum part, but it's gonna be a little bit hard because EDNS is kind of the dominant the Ethereum ecosystems. So how do you think you guys gonna do in the future to increase the domain name's value?
As I mentioned, our EDNS with a special functionality which can use the domain name to send an SMS. Also, we have provided decentralized instant message with an IM. So what's IM? It's like just like WhatsApp or Telegram. So if you want to message someone on WhatsApp or Telegram, you usually directly enter a mobile phone, or you have already entered the mobile phone inside your phone contracts, right? But inside Web3, the only way to contact each other will be the Ethereum address. So when every time you open the decentralized IM, the sandblock, if without the domain name, you will only see a ton of Ethereum address which have sent you a message, and you have to remember who they are. But who will remember those 32 bytes length of the address, right? So the only way we'll be using the domain name service. Of course, we will not excluding the EDNS inside the sandblock. Instead, we'll be increasing or adopting different domain name service like the unsortable domain, the ENS, also including our most importantly, EDNS inside the sandblock, which means when the end user, because you also know the Ethereum, the traffic fee is pretty high, right? Like sending a transaction would cost you at least $1 to $2. But differently, we have adopted 7 blockchain. So which means the end user can naturally selecting the familiar blockchain network they to use. Like currently the Polygon is pretty famous or pretty low gas fee. So most of people, lots of project or dApps decided to deploy on Polygon, like the Lens protocol, a decentralized social network. So because there's a low gas fee. So the end user can naturally. Yeah, someone talking.
No.
Okay, cool.
Keep going.
Yeah, so the end user can naturally selecting different blockchain network on EDNS, but on ENS they can only use Ethereum. And moreover, like as I mentioned, we are adopting the layer 0. Layer 0 is a layer 0 blockchain, which means the EDNS domain can travel from, like I've been my EDNS domain on Polygon, and now no, I want to use or I want to put it on BSC, BNB chain, no problem. By using layer 0, you can seamlessly swap or bridge your NFT. Yeah, our domain is not NFT. Your domain from Polygon to BNB chain. Or no, I don't want a BNB chain. I want to move on Ethereum. No problem. You can directly bridge your currently domain name like Meta. You can direct bridge it from BNB chain to Ethereum, and same as other chain.
Makes sense. Yeah. Thank you very much, Mike. Appreciate your time and efforts in this presentation, and also thanks LootHunt and MedievalDAO team give your time and contribution for this project demo session as well. You guys all did a great job, and hopefully you guys can achieve a good results during this hackathon. We can end it up here. Still, one more time, thank you everyone who joined us today, and also appreciate all the audience who joined our YouTube and Binance Live channels. In the future, we're gonna have a few more Boba Network Hackathon practical demo sessions. So if you don't want to miss out any of the events like today's, please feel free to subscribe our channels. Good luck. Have a great one. Bye bye, guys.
Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye, guys.
Have a great day. Bye bye.